Hola, hoy vamos a repasar verbos con cambio radical en el presente, so stem changing verbs in the present tense. So verbs with a stem change have a stem change in every single form except for nosotros and vosotros in the present tense. Verbs with a stem change use the same regular endings. There are 4 types of stem changes in present tense. We have E to IE, O to UE, U to UE, and E to I, which is used more rarely. So pensar is a verb that has an E to IE stem change. So pienso, piensas, piensa, pensamos, pensáis, piensan. Notice there's a boot shape here. And remember, stem changers in the present tense do use a boot shape. So every form changes inside the boot, but outside the boot in nosotros and vosotros, there is no stem change. Dormir is an ODUE verb. So duermo, duermes, duerme, dormimos, dormís, duermen. You can never stem change outside the boot. You only stem change in the boot. Other verbs that have a stem change, E to IE verbs would be entender, to understand, perder, to lose, querer, to want, sentarse, to sit down, comenzar, to begin. More E to IE, cerrar is to close, pensar, to think, preferir is to prefer, empezar is to begin, sentirse is to feel. Verbs that change O to UE include almorzar, to eat lunch, contar, to count or to tell, costar, to cost, dormir, to sleep, encontrar, to find, poder, to be able to. Volver is to return. So here are those definitions again in case you missed them when I said them earlier. Acostarse is to go to sleep. Recordar is to remember. We also have verbs that stem change U to UE, such as jugar, which is to play a sport. And then we have verbs that stem change E to I, such as servir, to serve, and pedir, to ask for or order. Alright, please feel free to email me if you have any questions about this material at gmanson@geneva304.org. Have a great night.